Guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're going to be getting the train from Sheffield to York. Currently at Meadowhall shopping centre. So to start with, we need to get the train into Sheffield and then get on our way. See you in a bit. So let's have a look at the route today then. First stop obviously Sheffield, and then we go on to Wakefield, Westgate, Leeds, and then we're into York. Just over an hour, so not too bad really. Only a short trip into Sheffield, only a few minutes. Interesting fact for you though, these tunnels are the reason why when they're electrifying the Midland Main Line they can't go any further than Sheffield. Very busy service on this Saturday. Not really a surprise really, people going up to Leeds and York and whatnot, maybe on the drink, as I was at the time. I checked the Wi-Fi, it seemed to work on board, but it was extremely slow, as you can see here. A few more people got on at Westgate actually, so it was really rammed. But before we do it, we were approaching Leeds. It actually emptied out quite a bit here at Leeds, which was good. I can spread out a little bit for the rest of the journey to York then. And then before we knew it, we were approaching York. Not a bad journey in general, just really busy. Maybe you could have done with an extra coach or two. But yeah, fair play to Cross Country. They're getting as much life out of the trains that they're using as possible. Maybe they could look to upgrade them soon. Anyway, that's it for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to come back to the channel for the next episode soon. Thanks.